welcome to another video. If you don't know, my name is Delaine, and I'm just gonna do a short little intro video to a series that I am about to start with my son, Jensen. So he is 15 months old, and I've decided I would like to start introducing, in a very concentrated way, colors. So we are gonna go through several different colors. I think right now we're at least gonna start with red, blue, yellow, and green. And I'm gonna take a week and we're gonna do different activities with one specific color. So that could be reading a book that has to do with that color. That could be doing sensory bins, painting, different things that are really geared towards his age, just to start introducing one specific color. We go over colors a lot, like when he's holding a toy, I always mention the color, but I thought it would be very fun to do something that just focused on one color for a whole entire week, different activities, being able to talk about it, maybe wearing that color, I'm not sure yet. But I think that this is gonna be a really fun series, and I hope that you'll join me. If you have young toddlers, this would be great for them. This would be really fun for you to do, and if you do that, please go to Instagram, tag me in your photos. I would love to see them. And for maybe older toddlers, you could modify things, make it a little bit more advanced. I know some older toddlers have already learned their colors or maybe recognize colors a lot better, obviously, than a 15-month-old. Let me know if this is something that you enjoy watching over the next few weeks, because I am so excited about this. If you know me, I love teaching, I love seeing kids learn, and I love to be able to do that, especially through play. Come along on this journey with me. The first video will be out soon so that you can see everything we do for our first color. I hope you guys have a wonderfully blessed day, and I can't wait to start this series. Bye.